So like, oh.
She want me to leave her.
What is up, guys? Today we're back with another video, and I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make slides. Okay. So the first thing you wanna do is like copy what I'm doing right now. So for all y'all dimwits, you see this keyframe right here. You wanna put it right there, yeah. Then you wanna put the second keyframe right here. Then you move the thing off screen. Can you do that, you fucking? And why are y'all asking for this? No. Then you do the same thing, but inverted. And if you don't know what that means, stop editing. That's it. You're getting the hang of it. Yay! Fucking like and subscribe, bro. Please.